Today I'm going to explain you regarding the flat foot, what is flat foot and what is the solutions of the flat foot, and if flat foot is there, what is the problem causing to the patient. So I will show you that the flat foot we are doing in three types. One is the very latest technology which is called 3D printing Insole, which is 100% computerized. So can I get the one Insole please? Yeah, this is, I can show you, this is the latest technology, insoles for flat foot or foot pronations and all these things. You can see the medial arch support, and this is, you can see the heel cup to control the pronations of the foot. And this is very nice posting is there, you can see the 5 mm postings. If there is pronation, we need the posting 4 to 5 mm to keep the foot in neutral or anatomical positions. So this is the thing. I will let you know about this insole, how to use inside the shoes in next video.